Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, don't adjust your screen. That is the Motorola Razr Fold 2026 in front of you. So in this video, I'm gonna just do a quick unboxing. I kind of unboxed it already. I actually been using it for a few hours now. So I'm gonna give y'all my first impressions of the device. Yes, I decided to pick it up from Motorola. We can talk about how they messed the pre-orders up and everything else later on. But here it is. But here's the unboxing really quick. Nice presentation from them. If y'all want to pause that, y'all can definitely do so. It does say sound by Bose. Look at that. So what you get in the box here, if it will open up again, I'm getting trolled by the box on TV, on camera. At the bottom, you get nothing. This was on the phone. It tells you not to remove the pre-installed screen protector or add another one because that could damage the display. But then you get this normal box, no charging brick, but you do have a charging cable. But you know, it does 80-watt fast charging. Why not give me a brick? Come on, Motorola. So you have USB Type-C to Type-C in there. You have your normal books and stuff, a SIM card slot, remover tool there. It goes over more, it says read me. We don't read that. Has an AI button on there. So that's pretty much the unboxing of the Fold. I mean, you're not really missing nothing. So let's put the box here. Y'all came for the phone. I did pick up the black and blue Pantone. I don't really see the blue on there. Pretty much black, but I like the grip. Do like the grip on there. There's a camera cutout. And so, look, bam. Now the fingerprint scanner, a little touchy there, but overall, I am really enjoying it so far. I mean, bam, you could barely see the crease on there. Look how thin this bad boy is, too. Look, compared to my S26 Ultra, I mean, it is pretty thin as a folding phone, and then it folds pretty flat, too. But let's go over the phone. The one thing I don't like is how high the power button is, and then the volume rockers are up there, too. Then that little button next to it is the AI button. You have your SIM card slot, microphones, your charging port there. You also have a speaker down there, speaker at the top, some microphones, and then you have the camera. Look at the hinge too. They could have put like Razr there or Motorola there too. But it is super thin. I mean, even when you open it up, it is super thin. But let's go over the specs on this beautiful looking phone. So the cover display is a 6.6-inch POLED panel. It goes up to 165 hertz. Then your inner display is an 8.1-inch POLED LTPO screen. It is supposed to go up to 120 hertz too. Running Android 6.0 on, Android 6.0. Android 16 on here. It has a 6,000 milliamp hour battery. Like I said in the opening, it has 80-watt wired charging, 50-watt wireless charging, so it does have wireless charging on there. A Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 processor on this thing too. It has a 512 gigs of storage with 16 gigs of RAM on here. So, I mean, it has flagship quality devices. I mean, you are paying $1,800 if you do not trade in the device, so it better come with a punch, and it has. I mean, this thing, it will give the Z Fold 7 some competition out there. But I just like how thin it is too. I love how the feel of it is. Now, it also comes with 50 megapixel cameras on the back there. And then on the inside, you have a 32 megapixel camera on the inside. And then I think the front here is 20 megapixels. I hope I don't have that back ways. But the screen does get bright. But can you say a 6,000 milliamp hour battery? Man. And look how, still thin though. And yes, I am a Motorola fanboy. Look at that. I think this is like the G7. Then I have the Razr Plus 2024. So I've been having Motorola devices on my channel for a while now. And I just want to pick this one up. Again, with the pre-orders, I mean, this phone came out on the 21st, and I got it today. Unlike Samsung and Apple and even all these other devices, OnePlus, they will give you the phone early. Not Motorola. They definitely messed up. Then they switched out the free gifts. I got the pen. I should have brought that up here. So I got the pen to go with it. It has pen support on here, which I might do a video on just that. Y'all let me know what other videos you want to see on this device too. I probably would do a camera test on it. Why not put it against the S26 Ultra for the camera test? So the pre-order's been a little messed up. We'll definitely talk about that in a different video. But for now, I mean, you can open up split screen. It does all of that pretty easily for you. Let's see, maybe Google. You can switch it around. It's pretty smooth. I mean, you can switch vertically too. If you want to save the app combo, you can. And then it has like a little toolbar down here too. Look, you have it right there. So it saves it. I have to get into this device a little bit more. You have some of the features I love. You know how if you need your hands free and you want your flashlight, bam, it's there for you. So overall, I have been really enjoying this phone for the last couple hours. Like I said, stay tuned to the channel. I will be making more videos on here. There's a couple other folks that I watched. Mr. J. Williams, My Project 13. Go check out their channels. Watch their videos on this device. But y'all let me know what other videos you want to see from me on this device. I will definitely try to make it. Gaming video, camera test reviews, maybe like the first 10 things you should do. We're going to definitely keep this phone. We want to see the longevity. How bad does that crease actually get after a few years or a few weeks, you know? And then let's check out the cameras here. My desk is a little dirty there, but I mean, that is pretty good. Go blue, by the way. I mean, that is pretty good. So the cameras seem really good. But y'all stay tuned. Y'all let me know what you want to see from me on this device. If you like this little quick unboxing, first impressions, definitely let me know. Like that video. Hit that subscribe button for more coverage on this device here. And then also the S26 Ultra. Make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.